Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to watch Telegram videos without downloading them fully to your device. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to instantly stream videos inside Telegram, conserving your precious storage space, and making sure you're only downloading what you really want to save. Alright, let's dive right in. The good news is Telegram is actually set up for video streaming by default, but there are a few key things you want to do, especially if you want to avoid accidental downloads that can eat up your phone's memory. First up, when you see a video in any Telegram chat, you might notice a white play button, a little arrow inside a circle right in the middle of the video thumbnail. Here, what you need to do. Don't long press or open extra menus looking for a complicated way to play it. All you have to do is tap directly on that play button. With a solid internet connection, you'll see the video start playing almost instantly, thanks to Telegram's built-in streaming mode. It's a lot like watching a YouTube video. You don't need to wait for the entire thing to finish downloading first. Now, while the video is playing, Telegram temporarily saves data to your device's cache. Think of this like a scratchpad. It's just holding the bits of video you need for smooth playback, but it isn't clogging up your phone with massive files. If you're the kind of person who worries about having too many videos stuck in your gallery, this is perfect, because the video isn't stored permanently unless you go out of your way to do it. You're basically just borrowing the content for your session. You might be wondering, what if you accidentally download videos without meaning to? That's a great question, and it leads right into the next super important step, adjusting your auto-download settings. By making one quick change in Telegram settings, you can ensure it never grabs big video files behind your back. Here, how you do that. From anywhere in the Telegram app, tap on the three lines or the settings icon, usually found either in the corner or your main menu. Now look for an option called Data and Storage, or sometimes Data and Storage Usage. Telegram's menu names can change slightly based on device, but it'll always be something along these lines. Once you're there, scroll down to the section titled Automatic Media Download. This is where Telegram decides, should I grab this file automatically when there's Wi-Fi? Or only on mobile data? You'll want to turn asterisk off the toggles for videos, both for when using mobile data and when connected on Wi-Fi. Take a moment here to double check. Sometimes we miss these little switches, and that's when trouble happens. Once you've done this, future videos sent to your chats will only play when you actively tap on them, rather than auto-downloading as soon as you open the conversation. This gives you total control and makes sure you're streaming, not downloading, unless you actually want to. So to wrap it up, just tap the play button to stream videos instantly and make sure you've told Telegram asterisk, not asterisk, to auto-download. With these two steps, you'll save storage, reduce clutter, and keep your Telegram experience running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.